you try to fit. I don't want to 6.3. Yakoya Sayaba. Sandra Amano, and your birthday. Opa Michael. So show happy birthday. Oh, Mateko first bridge. The Academy Patron Bepunam acquiring Jebema. Mayeni Nama Mwai. Dwaso Kakra fine. I'm in Brass Studio. The only man in the studio this morning to join me in your discussion, Dr. Thomas Wabing, Senior Lecturer with University of Ghana Business School. No, good morning.
Good morning.
Now, maybe I have a call there. As for Mike and Emma, check him, mommy. Check him, mommy. And I feel Abigail Elom, Kwabia Mensa, Deputy National Women Organizer of the NDC. Abby?
Smart.
PBI find it. Good. And I feel Honorable Nana a year Kwansa, MP Ogumwa Central, Nyogumwa MP Korean, Honorable Deputy Minister of Lands and Natural Resources. Mommy, good morning.
Morning, sir.
But you're not then.
Adom.
I want to was a nature there. PBI Boko. 2 ladies, 1 man. Today, men first. Best at every dog corner. Sa kidnapping, some kidnapping a buyer. And I'm so India Nibi was kidnapped. They will come say, pussy football modern monster to me. Ekano, Canadian sea. And so, Yensa can Yen the India Kakra. I'm saying, Bien Chewambeba. I'm a mouse, Madu, Nefes 7 mammy.
You captain, medical Achia, Mafakoni, so Achia, Etifunia. Yes, kidnapping, dear. I'm saying, baby, Abedania this year. That yen Oma, Omutrani, Amadishi, Akokamu. Yen cry at her, Eddie Treya. Yane mani ni anum ni yado from Mutia no kra nam de asienti adane ayam hihie na de din kan no em se with ebebo ye security for no abaso em se the manfo bi say Canadians bi ba ansa no motimi aye bi say omo but say aho ba yo someone the year you at least kakra ya tie no ene dia kan kan ni na che se emududo na no omne o ma ya de na captain ansa na meto aso no adeba kon se nya sha ya tie ase ene se obi owi ase pa yehu omo ayehu omo no na ni beji a ana kubu omo ni beji pa anka ya prusifo pass and come by a press conference na kan kra no kra monsa ka GP ne dom nyina na mo ni beje nti se ka ho asema be hia se be careful se enkoba se ase ehun hia omo pa chen enkra yi mu bebre na em se kidnapping no ade ba kwa be hia se sha se ni tu ho na mo ne se I say, yes, I see any him. And those of us from the academia, dear, you need research on your security institutions, any department to be brave. Near him, Nanya a clear idea. A choir, sir, dear, not any of my preoccupy about P or Maimono. Or say to me in your research, any information, Kakra about it. Trend be ho him for na likely to be involved am say binum any so ya akeka adwene bi ana cheche adwene bi say as a trend no yakọ emaya so dodo na no but also a year more empirical search na itimi ehunu omo ye involved at least yachi ba ko yachi mienu yachi miensa ni ehunu omo ye target didn't ground on a target. More vulnerable. Now, yes, research in area about my information. I'm a yet me so especially or more yet me rescue woman. Quite fast so near many na. And here good news, at least a big boost to the image of the country. Say yet me Canada for no. Now I'm say Indian in also and also yes I no. The question now is omomonam kwemu ebano. Again, Mesaka say omomonam kwemu ba insan yanka omono. Ye nyina yentia say how bia.
All right.
Yeah, sure say from the president to the IGP. Ye nyo he nyina hai. Na ahwe na obi bebisa say adenti na ye dan na ebinum de edi kan ba ya yentimi yenya wo mo na fe de bi ba ya say ebi hu ehia yen chen binom obi kasa me de meni ni pa no nya adwene isan say a possible say first experience na ba ye no security for no akwam fa so ni nyina na handle ni nyina no amo mo gain more insight and more experience ebi kura time a ye report to ye actions bikra communication in my baby and I'm a no a delay into almost picking lessons one thing no every no until next time bibi say CBM more approach you know it me different until yenye bom pai ehwe ni mu say e beda rade bi hu e moboni e be sorry no e be say at good news yes, we can be boost the image of the country. Name no so be ma a team mukra and what to him. Say you safe. Uja uba kwan. That's our crying could do school. Tenant. Yama kwan. That's it. Umedu fear and also tenant. No. Your bow at him. But I never consider your sentence as a captain and for home. And your interest woman and yet so be a big baby na obeka sa de ya asia ye nyina empese e BBC bim na de akam kran sabeka no we beka ho asem na say any de enu say amanyofo bi timi make comment bi gina so kan sam de we na de na me say omuntem enye kura say obi beka say o man na de o man na de emtem grofo no so mo be kidnap ayi mi say o ye NDC ni ana o ye MPP ni betumi atu obi a nti o say ya ade a entwayi va ko social media ne ma nkofo de tututu ho no so obi nti Ghana ha no kan bia na akwai so man mu ha de ahwa usi airport ana ye do ko nti ye besre say abai a ye kan ehun say ankora na sabi yensa nyanka mo no omo abusuafo omo wo namfofo anytime e beka ho asem bia no e ka omo na yenyina yemfa empaibo na se obi wo information bia ade ba kwa yenya ade no yentimi trace information yenya information so a ni aye ne basa obi okra wo information a ubisa na o adwin bi se me kokan ya ba me konebra and information obetimi dia ba ma security fo yetimi agina so e dia boy no ahwa na ya mfanko ye nyina yenyintum se eye o man no ye ni mo nyam ye daache ya sumdwe ho asem na ye kan enne eye obi akina e bia na ye nea ni nyina ye ntai security for no echi na security for no so minim say o ehwe nua man ma ye hu omo no a ya na ya koye se bibi wo ha esia se dem di kan kan se bia omasua bibi afrim tina recent ones no me so swift no the bia the first point of contact no and then maybe we am say na dey we am handle ne man say na entwe papa because we tie information from you know my hu omo no bi mo awfo no bi enchen report to your reaction. Bimuko 2 years kane momkona momrani adena. Ase do baby na ya amfano so serious sa.
Okay.
Bianca ye na nimu ya nanka bi kura nkwara no say domako chire baby kura nka inform nko.
I said the same thing as well.
But you tretra ho anti omu say sa ade na serious no.
Na ya jine. That's right.
Enti ne be hia say on say be say asem fair be ba ho bia no. And you say fire service for man for scamming or more to a car call Macone Jabianto on and until you frozen jar to our woman or see a call. Not your Fabia serious.
All right.
As I guess I
haven't asked the now men call Abigail or Abigail Adom Kwabia Mensa. Abby?
Yes, Matt. Medase, Michia, wait for Anapawe. I think that is my first time on your show.
Sure.
Yeah, so I'll take the opportunity.
What am I first time?
Okay, okay, all right. Anapawe Michia will interview with Honorable Brian Echampon.
Okay.
And I think that first of all, we thank God the Nyamia se enkwara and I say Canadians no ye as to whether omoko mukro manas or more my way we don't know, but the point is that ye home into the Nyamiase. However, Anapawe na meetie more one of your sister stations, and then the next thing is that Delta forces I issue statement essay abrantie na yese oye Delta forces ni no onye MPP ni no oye NDC ni na embra yewra Ibrahim Mahama ene chama wontumi issue bi ba ya Ibrahim Mahama ko Kumase no na abrantie ni di yewra Ibrahim Mahama chinti no oye NDC ni. You see, Anapawe, Honorable Brian Echampon did very well by saying, say, oye MPP new, oye NDC new, and found. At this point, Nipana ye bone, and yacheno. So we are looking for how to handle it. Say, Embrane was ye mambra, and Nipanidi. And so we are all happy, say, Kasa sa timiba. But when after Onwa Bebe Kasa, not people purported to be MPP supporters come up with such things to the extent that they are now all linking. He was bold enough on national radio to say, yeah, national chairman. And as soon as I brantiano say, Onkochi Canada for man.
Oh.
You see, when it happens like that, then you want us all to do the politics of it. Because you are my way. Enna. His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo the bill called Parliament, I think on vigilantism. Even the two major political parties are meeting with the Christian Council and others to deal with this vigilantism thing. And to say Nuechi and Dayeti he na semaba. Na ye nyina hu nipa ni video. We saw him when he went to rescue the people from the police station. And we've heard of his incidents with the former Kotoko coach. And he said, see, vigilantism, na brave vigilantism. I say, we are doing everything to get out of it. And then MPP and His Excellency Nana Addo say, Oma bane, omu group say, omu party mu. Na say ne Delta Forces leader, etimi bejina ho kase. In fact, they issued a statement. It means that either the president is playing lip service with us, say, or banning vigilantism, and I said the MPP is playing lip service with us. Then it goes to emphasize the fact the MPP, the NDC, our stance, say, omo nye ready, say, omo be banning vigilantism. That is the first one. The second one is that Abrantia na almost your machino no. Ocean recorder. He has no attachment with the NDC. So it would be unfair to say he is an NDC member. In fact, Captain Odiana Sena over Fox FM. Fox FM on a show there where they interviewed him, I think some time ago, almost say Omakwako Ranzakene Boutique B or something. He said on air, say he can never be NDC. Now NDC crack ode son of crash sebi obefie gu ho. You understand? So the person has publicly said, say, he is not a member of the NDC. So associating him with the NDC, then you are trying to give us the impressions and then saying, yeah, national chairman, then the fact that yeah, NDC for say, yeah, who say, either say, abide any police for, can't bomo no oma harassing. Yeah, national chairman. Because in the first place, the invitation given to our national chairman is that Obiaba Bebonidin will kidnap any ejashishia kosunumu. And then even how the police reported the incident to the public, said they arrested him and all that. Captain, that morning I was with national chairman.
Oh, okay.
As part of our activities marking our national, our 27th anniversary, we were actually doing visiting our heroes, and so on a panel, you call late PV Obin. We went to his house, Yakuchia and a year, and in a bushia for you feel on your call Honorable Ashon, former MP for Ponkata Manso. You feel honorable, and you start to say, yeah, TT News, and your chairman, your national chairman, Johnny, if you police for her, Omukita bench warrant, Omu yese, and trying to disgrace our national chairman, said he was running away from the bench warrant. And the national chairman of the NDC himself called the police and told them that, okay, yes, mukita bench warrant. It's mukita bench warrant. And your money in Shia, Church Street. Address they quoted. The police quoted the right address. So they went there. And then when they saw it, it was the right, it was a correct bench warrant. Okay, and the bench warrant requested that they should go to his house and go and search the place. And they said they had to take his statement. In fact, I don't know what they were looking for. They took his phone, they've taken his laptops and everything, all electrical, Niema Utimi Yusu, personally, they've taken them. And then they come to the police headquarters. What got us worried? We were with him, and then he just decided that, okay, I'm coming too. Because Diomoke Kano, in fact, our national chairman, I'm putting on record, he's credible than a lot of people in the MPP, if we have to compare them. Our national chairman, Elder Samuel Ofusu-Ampofu, he's credible. He's very, very credible and clean. Honorable.
Elder and fire.
Yeah, they can't number who say, oh, yeah, sorry, Penny.
Yeah, somebody else sorry, So, Captain, even the reportage, the way the police reported it, and arresting, creating an impression that the national chairman was running away. And then when we got to the police headquarters, stopping national executives from escorting the national chairman into the police headquarters. Then it gave us signals that no, what is happening? Why would they stop us? Yeah, national executives. It's when you don't want us to be with him, then we don't know what you are talking about. And so sometimes the way things are handled, my way, and the money, yes, say. Politics bemu anase mema politics bemu sanka MPP fo nyina kasati se se anapa we here some Brian Champo kasa na I wouldn't have had any problems. But when you come and issue a statement and you say all these things in fact we are aware say Abrantie no Honorable KK Sapon Madam Patricia Ejeku, he's very close to him. You will tell me, say, a football, kotoko, niamanti money close to him. But how do you think that NDC for support? I know NDC for support kotoko. But let's assume, say, NDC be a serious kotoko fan. You think he will be close to Honorable KK Sapon? It's not possible. It's not possible. So if we want to take out the politics and then let the police do their work, say ye jai politics no ni ama police ayo omedwuma. But once we bring in the politics, we will defend our own, because I won't sit down for an MPP person to denigrate my national chairman. It is not possible. Baby, national chairman a full political ladder na wababedu no. Sani pana ordinary nim femono onyendru. It's important that we take this step as a government in power. No, it's important that they take that step. You see, then again, takrade enkwala na omayirano, Captain.
me ye mami ameba ayira na se me die ni si be ye 3 months ago and I say 1 month or 2 months ago
6 months
6 months ago na se obi die esi just barely a week na nipa no yakwa huna as a mother, as a parent, as a family member, I will have questions to ask. Say, a dear pan a see yentia, one more omudi see na watching way penal. Yen homo, na mimi diana a see na watching Bosumi Sienino, yen homo. That is the question, and it is very legitimate question. Parents and then family, and I say, ordinary Ghanaian bia a bisa. It is right for the person to ask. Ya wo mai we mu na Madam Tiwa ebeka che say wo mu nim babia enkwala ne wo. Omu nim babia enkwala ne wo nti abusuafo no wo mu nya abotire na omu de omu bebre omu na because of security reasons nti no they can't give a lot of details. You know, at that point, if you are a family member, say, at least the security people are saying, say, then a drastic turnaround. She comes to say, they should keep on keeping on. Na, sasem no kan yene die, na wo kan senye beya ebusuafo no akuma ebeto omuyem. How unprofessional. How unprofessional. How can you be this? At some point, the parents were asking, say, is the police Tiwa now? Is she a mother? Asa anke yo no na ne bayra ne de sa ye na ebeye ne dana. We went to visit the parents of these girls. And then one thing they kept telling us, say, police ni ana owo ho a asem ni si ye e wotakrade no. With this short period no, ya transfer no. Ama police ni na wa ba foforo no omuko ho no muko bisa na asema osi ono de na enyo no wo ho na asem ni siye. You understand? And when all these things are happening, you are giving room for people to feel say yeah de ne de ehun ni mfaso. In fact, Canada for de ye see ye captain ye wo mai wo me ye ti ane say IGP adru Kumase. IGP adru Kumase, due to the nature of the issue, say it is important in IGP adru Kumase. Takra did 6 months in ye. How many times has the IGP gone to Kumasi? Even Madam Tiwa, has she gone to Takradi to go and see what is happening there? Have they gone to the family of the victims to go and talk to them? But Abrofuni DNC here, IGP ko Kumasi. So it's like the discrimination is clear. The discrimination is very clear. If you are not discriminating, why I say obi dia IGP beko Kumase na obi dia. In fact, 2 people against 3 people. 3 people no, they should rather get the attention. The fact that even Ache, then we are told that omumomu dia ni si ye no ransom payment bi ni ade abemu. Of course, so obayira na the person calls you say skabra na beje oba. I am shishienti obeba kwa and we should understand the family. It is the duty of the police and the duty of the security agencies to find out where they are. As to whether Canada for ne bebe boy me, I'm not interested in that. But then I know that definitely once the Canadians flew people in, say omumbra no omumbehwe asem no, it means that they supported Ghana Police Service in one way or the other. They wouldn't just fly the people to Ghana just like that. It definitely there was some form of support, but no fire ho ye ni agene say enkwala no say ye hu omo na the image that was being cast around about Ghana. In fact, for the past days, CBN News, Ghana, the way they were projecting Ghana and making Ghana, and then now on my way actual statement about say, oh, but Ghana is a place where they can kidnap you. I think the latest one I saw was Austria, and it's very, very bad. Right. But we thank God say, and then on same CBN again, I heard that almost say release it, which is not the accurate way of saying it, but well, you be funny, sir.
Captain, before I call kidnapping case in Udon, KCBC will go more central, will be Ochane cousin. niti.
Hey.
Last Monday na me call ho me fi ho bedun kran. Ana fana me DC Benjamin Kujotu of frame day.
Pacho university for ones na. Osro no so.
Ono ye gumo oboase.
Hey.
On a cousin. I just read it from here there. Woko habem wo ba na was sincere kutu.
Enyo ono
okay, them guys. Inti me for the makwenye do before mekasa ama ebusuya asam da mato ho ya kode won kose na won chiche wo re osande yempene dam de onua wo benya asam a kum bebem na ochina nyame ya adoma na medwuma asem ti ochina nyame ya adoma meba na mebetia ho onyina won hyede na yemfa ya evre na ya kuma nyina antu adundo de mesi bia ono na onyim tina abadam mo kose oboasefo nyina na mesachi ya gumwa central mpanyefo executives nyina captain emi dam kidnap na some impede maybe the politics crab bem because enwu de so bi kasa no de ko NDC or de ko MPP and apemisu meti news me mpene dam because sabe asamesi as a country or de nyina ye bom asem bi ebesi bia na ye pede ye ni politics ye ni politics so a mo de eban entume mba ye because eyi kadam mesre ganafo political parties akese which is MPP and NDC nyade wo me nya botar na asema be today mo frama me ba ye kor into always no say ba mo frama wa asema ayana o ya asema o ham ampa Canada fo Canadians ni ye hu Ghana fo ye hu na menyim de sampa de mo fra no wo ho a dako wo so obupoi wo beba ema awofo na wenwanda na wonyim de wo mba wo kwa abo ano no wasaba ma asem da maton wo so wakoma to woyim meka de wonya abota na yakeka ne yakade sebe Ewrabe Yokase, Otumikan, the chairman, better MPP Fubi. You know, when you do set comparisons, or you're disrespected. If I have to come there, or you're disrespected because so one can say Kasana Kade, Yeja and the politics, yeah. No, the Yeja Kran, Yakasam, proper one, Obotum, Amagana Fuata, Sede. Asemia be politics being him. Emi obi a one can you be obeka me and permit say dun katia but I will not sit here na me mwe say dun katia ni din dem all kind one kadiana me ye hwehwenye de mofra na wa you no yakopon be yadom waba na ho so a yakopon ye adom kadide sensan kai yensa ka ho security fo a wo ye adwuma yakopon kodo no mbo ewenwa ombo ewaso a na ma be kwan a wo fa do a wo nya ye ni so won fo waso antifom won fo wenwa antufom na wo ma ye nya ye Ghana fo mofra no so takrade fo na ye nya ni de oyeha ayedema Ghana nkwenyim because sebe ye nyina sebe nyakopon na adumti yakọ baby 1 or 2 nyam abibi samdam kidnap esisi bebre na maye me yawo na eyam atete den ka Ghana de na ka yeda na yada but alatafu kakra Nigeria fu kakra abafrem sisi ya ECOWAS se Ghana nyi or cross to Togo border won be sad visa or course ko Nigeria won be san visa today yen kofo ko Nigeria ko ye trade na wo so bai into obia wo movement na memesre nde what do what rent because sometime ago ko expenses to that na ya lata fon koten we ko di dan na nya latenya na binum wo twetwe wo ho because wo tueska kese because wo nyima de a wo be ye wo Ghana ha ye besre ye immigration for one share na lata fon wo ba won show movement because one what did I mean say nyina ba Ghana had me first time I met kidnap na ayaminya kakra what's happening until day you dey Nigeria for no ofra mpenyifo wo Ghana both parties nyinara won ma ye nyina yenka ye hu bom na ye ma ensem a esi Ghana efa Ghana ho emfa ye hu sin dey ye be divide dey MPP NDC woman fa ye ho as Ghanaians osane se ye ni nyina de dam e kasa pa e hu menka because I mean I don't do politics as seven make kasa etia penyina na de meka bibi ye party ampa MPP ye ba government mo de MPP wo ye bia wo ye na binum so ho a ma ebe ye bia no obenya ho asema kanti oye ni woman nature de intumi nya papa nkoten na intumi nya bone nkoten inti mesre de mo free wo me ye nyina enfam pai bonte yichir ne yembu police fu security fu na yakopon ye wadom na wotu mo nya mo fra yembu ho na yenja dede ne yenye din because abrochi class woye nhwehwemu dama mengi ni de aya na aye wode kada yi na waye dam bia kwa America waka the Republicans and Democrats dam ehu na yenhwe yenyim na yenhwe my Ghana na yenhwe ye nchirma na wo ba ne de ibade ampa Dr. Kasose the vulnerables because him name fra waban sabe obu how ya abofra be 15 ne da mite yi bi wo Nit FM abofra small girl no bi etum wadada no ma wakoye okot nyama bi oye because of the school fees kakra sabe ne maame anya man onye bi na fees kan ye we na ade ya mofra no so me ye besre de hia ya batan sabi bi posi na maame ye straight den no maame o papa ye bade pa kofie na bo amana de misika atofom dam ayedam na busua no so wo hu mo be ya aboa wo sinde ibe obia keke be fa wo odo wa koni fie na wa koma osika na da ye bibi in fact asem na me tey no me du fie kra na mpeda metena kai mu na me tey mo besi because it's a 16-year-old girl or kasa de damadi ha na dam na offer menyimfu odi 14 years in fact ema ya yim shishi kakra because emi wona na we the 14 years ehun ma me chen it is a better day 50 or 14 years na ni school fees ayo na ne ma me ye straight no food ne ma me nyiska obia nyiska but ye ma na wa ba no so enu ti na menyimfu na kidnappers wodo wenwa wodo akowodo because bibi kakra bia na we rule into it into mesre muma ye nyina enka ye humbom de Ghana fo na mba ya ye wom ye nka ye humbom de abatan na ye mma no ye hwe ho ye menka de ye hwe ho ye yo but se fie ye straight ye discipline ampa obia pede ne banyin ko but ye de bibi chichire mofra na wonye hu na wonye suro de bibi si wa abo anu pa wontum meka ye mbo ekwan abatan ye mbo ekwan ma ye mma na wontum ye wonya yenyim kwan wontum wonye discussions wontum ma hawo yen ha won won kan kire na yentum yeso yenyon because ye experience bebre ye mpanyufu nti uba ana una na beka bibi twa enyim asema beka kire mana akoma to ne yim of course ibotum atietim enyim de menyiska na ye de na diske koto chine but bibi etumisi it's my kind there about yen nyina ye kagana ho na mpanyufu nyina ye ka ho ena ho a wesi abo no so de wopede wo wuru ye mma mbesiafo no so ye besre de Ghana ye nyina ye dia wo mma mofra no kwan ma wonye mo Yakopon odon oba de wo beye na wonje ahode eziska kakra ba de dada abofra a kire na nko repu na akire ne de na akohye bebi a ensem fata yesre mumma yenhwe Ghana as Ghana oye nyina ye za ni yenja Ghana ya divide ye mu de enam de mimi wo party yinti ma party bi ye po ye papa no po ye beka ma afi ye bo wie no na aden ye hu no domfa so mo ma ye hu nyama obiara ba oye no domfa so ni ye nyina ye mwa ma bibiara akochima wo Ghana ede enyumgo ase bebre Ghana okade ohwe TV no wo kam ampa ma so me hu wo Canadian news bi obi sene mama me hwe na how denta denti no de Ghana obadam but ni nyina isipa ode ye kor aso man Ghana ne ye hwe madam nyame ye ba ye krumi ye botum yesiwa no kra chende ye de be politics because politics no you see nkrofu fi ha woko ha nkrofu fi ha ko ha na party na kasa obi wa ha obekasa obowie no na bebi oginan na fi ohumo onye inti mesre ye kasa ne ye ma no ho ntsew especially ye bada ye ka ye mpanyifo wo ho asama ye ka obia no ho asama ye ma no ho ntsew osane enyidi efata mo de wode man emimi tu begina anka de emimi national chairman Freddie Blay or you're better than NDC for much of them. Debbie, Freddie Bray nipa moja owo for the brain mu ebia na ewo bia ni panyin ni mu fanede nyipa no ye wo papa fanede ye wanka fan. That is how you have to make things work there. Fanede yi oye hona nti ba kasa no de make fa no ho moma yanka kasa no ho tsew na moframa bi wo wase wo ba wo kondo na wo pe de wo so be politics na so da me semi abofra bi tie ya na so suro nyame a o se me ma na so bi a wo nyansa na nyimdi a ono so de bem no de bediga na anyima ebe yeye nti mesre wo ma ye kasa ho tsew na ye nhwe na ye mofra na wa ye wo Yakopon ye Adom na mbo a ye mpanyifo na wontum won fa ho mbre ye de wase de wotum wa ye Canadian ya ma Ghana ye nyunyam asa atoye ya ma he.
Man, see that. But then 10 times more than a shadow. So, mamma say, Renault cast and you know, a crew ha Renault Duster and a fay Iraq pick up and so, that's another 92,999 Ghana cedis na fay. Erosion so yeah 98,999. What the answer said ube to was no when you can no Bluetooth connectivity auxiliaries na USB ports ni na no ebi wakadim. Premium Motors Limited. Ewatiko Junction. Phone 0278 134319. Renault Passion for Life. Quick Angels Limited. As a brand is what they going to be a sue and so no sika we hear so the bon brano. I ready see a bit more sika be wait media. Yes, say Jumain. A bit boa wants to wait me reliable investor and business partner. So I can home. Phone was 0302 267 381. Quick Angels Limited. Your ideal angels investors. Pacho Bomodiana Shadow Subium Mame Nescafe every day should have a very, very perfect start. So I don't know was starting the year. Great taste of blended coffee, smooth, creamy, and delicious. Now sir, oh, a correct pa. Say they're 1 city 20 pesos. Just hurry. Now Jodi and Afi Yampimon Quenim. As simple. Nescafe, great taste, great start. Pacho Bomodiana Sharon Sugana Revenue Authority and as a Fasankratwe Emrel. As part of measures almost shares said a never beats me across no MPS term 3 no. The Commissioner General of the Ghana Revenue Authority and directed from 25th of June. A mandatory for all importers to attach comprehensive packing lists comprising itemized list of goods. And the Niamana Waka Quatona, whatever Memhano. I say, Yanama, Kuma, blade, a sichre, a mobile itemizes Animanina, and will contain a BM as required for request for customs classification and valuation report. Mr. Momodia said, Obetia said, importers now will be failing. Will not be able to clear their goods at MPS Terminal 3. Tibomodiana Shellen so. Safame. Has no radio so you know my judgment. See no case debia and the mamen cancho. So Juanes will be say, Fred, who Fred number we are. Who bet me multimedia. Yeah, your networks need to be obwa. Yeah, jai. You know, Monishi, a yebu. Father's Day, dear, a beba sukosia there bay. And run Mema may say, or them was 7 am say mad or say, I won't come what the year Mother's Day no. Mom fast I won't can and your Father's Day I didn't tra. And I'm so wish I didn't na. Yes, I am the Biani at more. Bisa Mammy, ya, or send a dear about Quia. I will say, over Pimaquan in chance. Minima the Kuna woman for no who. Father's Day no be dura. Just say, yeah, your father's now crown. You will to be sad in the crab, but this is a bit more multimedia car park here and Sayabra. Yeah, my minimum gender ye do. And you're quite away. Center, oh, come on. What's it?
Father's Day, I'm wearing a kappa.
Hey, yeah. So say, Jamu, you're not Tiffin, say, you're fee.
That must say.
As now we did more, I know you. It's a question 1 p.m. now. After waiting me about. Finally, advanced savings and loans. Financial institution. Abedi Kruma in Fiedu, Yejmo, Cote d'Ivoire, Cameroon, Nigeria, Tunisia, DR, Congo, Cambodia, Pakistan, and Neymar. We hear Sikan Temtem Swafre, toll free number is 0800 355. Advanced savings and loans growing together. Doc, who feel gone by him, Mimi Musao? MP's ranking. Yes, and
can you say yes, some side, and so,
yes,
I'm a bino. Say, so, Uti, some of the comments, especially from Honorable Fona, say, or more point, especially considering, say, primaries, and I'm quite sure eba. And what you know, so considering, say, your memoir, majority of your population, you know, and some people have told me to my in past will be everywhere. We have some of the comments on the social media about the donor Gina ranking also cry. I shall say make a comment about their MPs. And I'm say to or more stick a woman a major issue. But baby high expected the finding baby high and DVT in free the for instance, a very common trend na say ubenya oko parliament abribia ubenya most of the opposition MPs say omo ye adwuma omo parliament more you say omo ye adwuma but omo parliament more physically present than the ruling party MPs because of your constitutional arrangement in parliamentary work and ministerial work and home. You say for at least 50% of your ministers a free parliament house. Then me say Ghana so heading say minister pa dear bechi na onko baby. And most of the time no say ruling party say this no power NPP no power the opposing party no there's the likelihood say our members are more available to do parliamentary physically present or some be ejuma. And another thing I want to say is say you don't necessarily need to be there physically. And also we be and sana why parliamentary work. Omojuma no be bree or how we know outside
committee levels.
Very good. And you know, omo ye no mo ko table the omunya bia de buy na do na dwene ho a. Obi be sorry apeja ne sa Mr. Speaker be man opportunity am na kasa me hu TV so. And so na adwuma no kra na omo koye committee level no na oni ho. And you know, omo ye adwuma no bebre. Adwuma no bebre won so omo ye no even omo constituencies. Omo time ye bi omo call workshops, call conferences, ye ni ma bebre. Ye wo ECOWAS parliament omo ye ho adwuma. And you know omo timi ye niema bebre pa apart from say physically no ombeko parliament house na say dem di kan no say ba say ye physical presence so dia bibia mu no more likely say obi hu say opposing political party no more because omo outside parliamentary work no apart from conferences ne conferences ne bi ECOWAS parliament ne ade no because do na enye appointees ewo aban mu ntino ya na brewo ho amawo enti na the other side no and say ati say MC this mu three of kakra na say be research na ye ne honorable for no ye betime nya discussion bi ne ehunu the core areas betime you should assess no there I disagree and on that to compromise the quality of the research there yɛn preempted deɛ wo ma bɛka ɔbɛbisa me sɛ wopɛ sɛ wo assess me na makyerɛ sɛ wopɛ sɛ wo assess me teaching deɛ a ɛne course wei na wode duru ha yɛ abra na bɛtenam anaa topic wei na bɛbɛtenam yɛnyɛ ne saa nti ɛba sɛ a yɛn nyinaa wake up call sɛ ɛne ɛyɛ research ne yɛbɛhu sɛ bia baabi wɔ hɔ a ebi anka methodology no nka but report no so teasing out clearly ɛnyɛ physical presence nko a other things ɛka ho nti sɛ ne physically no woni hɔ na woyɛ adwuma wɔ wiase nyinaa na mekɔbisa wo ɔmo moto abama no ɔmo ka sɛ wonyɛ hwee a na me report a sɛ me deɛ me nyɛ hwee ɔmo na sɛ wonyɛ hwee nti bia ne behia sɛ nneɛma bi wɔ hɔ a yɛtutu yie as honorable members yɛ adwuma ma ɛsɛ Ghana no na yɛn so yɛama yɛn nkurɔfoɔ nso ate nneɛma bi ase hwɛ captain wonim one thing MPC niska a mo de bɛyɛ development project yɛnhyɛ dɛ ntwɛsika biara ma ɔmo gye sɛ ɛm sɛ 4.5% of the common fund ɛne yɛde ma ɔmo ɛno koraa no wontimi nsom wowɔ biribi apɛ sɛ woyɛ ma woman no that is wo constituency no na wode akɔ na assembly no ayi sika no ayɛ ɛwɔ wo din mu na deɛ baako a in the past wohu ne sɛ several of the MPs ɔmo use sɛ sika no ɛde yɛ nneɛma bi a to me in my view ɛno na ɛma ɔmo nyɛ visible no obi de ne deɛ ma needy children wɔ hɔ scholarship some from school na me bɛni hɔ a MPD no ayama me ba nyɛ needy a ebi a ne nsu atɔ na dan so apa na wakyɛ sɛ yɛmfa wo deɛ ɛnkɔbɔ dan no so dan na pa me deɛ nka ho a MPD no ayɛ nti ɔmo wɔ nneɛma a ɔmo de yɛ but to me no ɛnyɛ visible enough ɛyie ne saa nneɛma ne nyinaa no sɛ me obi sɛ me mɛka sɛ as much as practicable even aside sika wei nyinaa akyi no ɔmo saa to mbutum
sure
ɛnka scholarship ne school fees ne deɛ ɛnka wode yi firi butum common fund no ba wode saa drainage na wɔ hɔ no gata na abubu no a yɛtwɛn sɛ mpintimi nyɛ kwan wode nka gata no nkoa no ka yi to wɔ ne kurom obi ahu sɛ mp na yɛ gata no ana sɛ school block mp usika ne ntimi nsi 6 classroom block initiate self help na ma community ni hunu na ɔmo fɔ ɔmo ahoɔden ka ho na wo sika no biribi a wɔsi yɛtɔ a ɔmo antimi nyim free community mu no na wo de sika no aboa ɔmo bɛhu sɛ 6 unit classroom block we deɛ mp na de baayɛ biribi a ɛyɛ bɛma the entire community ne benefit na mo de ko tua scholarship no ba na mo sɛ mp nyɛ hwee ma yɛn physically ɔnyɛ wo ya na akɔka sɛ yɛbɛkyekye mo radio so sɛ ai ɔsɛ yɛkyerɛ sɛ nyɛ mp na ɔsɛ ɔyɛ kwan na ɛnde ɛyɛ no korɛ ba mo a ɔsɛ na mo yɛ campaign no mo kan say mo ba mo be so anka kra the impression has been created already nya ona kan ye 20 years ago bi kan ifa na ba yan so bi kra wo ye bi kra ba na de ba ye na ode ne din kwahya ase enti be hia say ye kan no na honorable for no so asan so ahunu say eno so eboa ebiem research ne de nyesa me free honti asem ni ho in fact what we can do as parliament and I say a lawmakers with men so make me a commission research bet me a commission team say objectively the person will find it out we might and no the bet me a TZ out specific areas or more person team no and we more but to be sorry no fees of research the hands of follow good methodology na findings bia or the beba no mo me say na statement bi ho na no e kakra say amafo be lose your seat no ne sane manema no but that is a fact and it should be a wake up call say ye ka ho a ana say your party no ehun wo mbebri a that's all 2 years e be hia say ye dey say ni atoto ne ma nyina na ye nso a ye ho asem wo mu a ye positive no ye nso ye koso ne after all say we and the we and the or mine and a be benefit enti your research ne there now captain one guy guy last election obi ka je say ye there no okay me no na e tia ha on TV e ba no say wo hu dey see pepe be pepe the facts ne there be an ancient and yet Bibrisa, but it's a wake up call, especially 6 months to election. And I agree with you. But 2 years down there, young correct
18 months.
18 months, okay. Young correct here home. Now constituency also. Yes, I won't know. Oh, yeah, Nebia in teaming communicating ye. Because there be a make say, my German colleague, I'm a catcher almost we say you MP. Because you won't be a physical no pony more appeal. There be because under normal sense, MP no call yam rather no information be brief free parliament house, nanka the bar. And can you also move from house to house? No share. And Nuntina constituency hono ya into electoral areas now, your assembly members no. And Nuntina omo ye mrano ema MPBI automatic member of the assembly. The assembly ni mitia. That is the point. Also, MP no call no more call share the AC na. Oh, Accra. Now assembly member be also cut down one. On ne electorate no, I could share no information. I could down to the unit committee. But yeah, Obia say in your trying November, pay no money problem. I saw be about for it. I just all Obia is all BBI is all and you know. Yeah, course na.
As a young, you reduce one to that level.
I'm on the initiative.
Oh, okay.
Yes, and because the privacy baby. Could tell you make.
I want to come sorry be no for being best by force. Papa be an ope presidential candidate be or party be mobile fear as a bonnet. Papa ni sisi no koto and koto. As a people best in studio.
But yes, no now no near me society. I'm on to be a here. Kakra na research no. Into a bunny study. Nanya be far home because
we go so come in with
in fact,
Niama woman, Papa, and Crawford and me make a
Ketu be no, the end then one.
And Niama woman, I think the MPs in the far
near that. You bet me a correct here, hope I improve.
My MP, my main corner home, right? At the time, media Yasemo. I shall begin Casabu. Because I can't in 7 minutes. I'm time I sound.
Okay. But before I go on to this main one, I want to ask Captain, reasonably, do you think, say, in your heart of hearts, say, Chairman of Uswampofo can kidnap anybody in this country? It's because of Asema Honorable Ekayeno. Intina mi bisa sa question. What you say? Reasonably, yenina ya kumu.
Yes, you. But the thing is, you don't have to do such comparison.
The politics comes in when you try to associate my chairman with it.
Okay.
That is when the politics comes in. What you say?
Mama,
so the next thing I want to about this.
I know about 3 minutes.
I'm 3 minutes. Then I'm on way. What I want to say about this parliamentary report, I think it's good feedback for the MPs. I've gone through the report myself. It's a very bulky document.
Very.
And when your time kaya say and you only listen to what the media is saying now. Because even the report itself, no, it didn't say obi belusu and also obi.
It didn't say that.
It is the media that looks at to say me MP or from place out say yes say 71% of his constituents say me mon contest 2020. It is a year to him. A wake up call to him.
Sure.
Say, even your own people, because ordinarily, Afram Plain South is NDC. MPP do not get a lot of votes there. And it means that averagely they will talk to more NDC people than MPP people. And if that feedback is coming, then you as an MP should wake up. The next thing is that almost sorry MPs yes say and MP nya kwan MP say Captain himself me contested Fantiakwa South in 2016.
Okay.
Me MP say ye kwan ye wo from Osino to Genasi through to Himai. And you know, when the researchers go there and then they give them the research questions now, the people are looking at what the MP told us, say, obey, 1 year. And the MPs know they shouldn't cry. Oma facts are the way at home so. Because if you didn't tell them, say you build a hospital for them, if you didn't tell them, say obey your choir mom, they won't use that to judge you. If you went and you say, oh, MP and your choir. Oh yeah, campaign mono. Oh can say MP nye kwanya. Research ne ba they will acknowledge the fact that MP cry bano or see MP nye kwanya. Until we can use this to assess him. But so can say meye kwanya me see hospital meye say ena bibia na fe ye ma power no na oba na unye ho hwe. You see, then it means that you are not doing the right thing. And then there was another one that was saying that their MPs don't talk in parliament. And I think every constituency, say TV or baby Obiaya or just obehuni MP. Maybe constituency. One of the things that in the last elections, my MP lost by almost 1,000. He won, but his votes reduced by 1,000 votes. And the complaint is that TV so kasa. They watch.
But I say I'm also say. But
you see, it is the voters' perspective. Or only perspective, they say, me matwa ba me MP. I was say send other MPs. Or who say North Town MP asori ejina ho. Or who say ye mami onabo asori ejina ho kasa. Men kwami MP die Parliament bebe biano on kasa bi. On kasa bi. That is the. And so if you are going for MPship and all these things, I think they themselves should also take their time to explain it to the constituents rather than concentrating on the promises.
Honorable the Green Party said the leader no work Canada no say be petition Canadian embassy Papa Nsem no keka no Ghana is not a wrong place. On you careful. Ghana is not a wrong place.
At all.
Any party
also party munipa umkrano ayarga kra Adom chen.
Also waje honorable 1 minute.
Yes, Captain.
Yes, mommy.
About MPC dear no. Media me who media no. Me my yetwe. Me kan ho hwe dear me can say I have to do better.
That's very good.
Do better.
That's all.
Adibi wo ho a bia na me fu say me ye ne yi. Doctor wo kan say me wo say bia na communication no. Adibi wo ayewa ye sikro bi so. Communication no anya broad. Inti nkrofo po nheda eni. Inti the man say from now kono. Bibia me be ye no. It's not like say me name executives na ebeko. O say ye frɛ nkrofo no so na wo hu dey. Yaba. The mazi na ye zeba.
Sure.
Me but man promise because na me nyima za wo parliament. Inti de bia masama me kan dey. Me ko parliament na mo ho bia me de beba. Because there I there inyimshi na epede ye there minyim dadaw because parliament obi enyima me ba parliament for na minyim the way committee meetings sola obemo petrol yenyim there ye be ye dwuma na bosom shawai ben ochi enka it all that was I know ni there or enyi da make da madam na the little da wo beside there obi ye hia be a toilet because a Maria no toilet ye problem my na maka dey Yakopon ye madom na mekwa na mamisa buso bia me de beden ye de baboboa ampa so Yakopon ye adom ma ye gudu ye risisi bebre am ho ite man promise kwan na ma meka inde Yakopon ye adom but such na bani nyina no ade bia me hwe wom if he's good or is bad say you better crank me more better. Inti mama catch MPs ni nyina de awa odi 0 excellence 0 crown still you have to work on it. Odi 100 is 90 crown you still have to work on it. Odi 80 crown you still have no odi 10 crown you still have to work on it.
So you
but
49 is a yes. But still, and 51 is a no. Just a little push. You are there.
Inti na make there. Inti order me ye na me do tutu ye. Na ma me nkrofo baby a me ye ya e ma bi no work adam me koye search na me ye ne ye osane adwuma ne ze intumi nyama nipa 80 po onka da yade people will say but so we catch the water botuma move within 18 months no botuma akowanyim akobe 70 po obodu aboto abad na enya enti ye onya yem hise de emi so ne nyina ye ka bomu amanyame aka na obamiti na ode yeso ye ahoden so ye de ka ho na ye jai de nsem akese be kosta na be kan nsem akese because ade a onya kra de be promise na be fail or one thing integrity is at stake in me de bia me kasa me hwe be kasa yi mamotum na maka cho mamotum nyo ye be ne den wo so fo wadwenbra na ye ntina ho na ehu de dam na emi mbesi motum aye na ye be hwe ye de ye nyama botutu ye next time yakopon ya adum no bu ekwan de ye sanko biuma ye kasa ye be kasa ye botu ye bu akasa near the Abasor. That's what I didn't patch. Pedem used them quine na Father's Day Bakusida, Yakupon Yaduma, Biana Mania, quine better have you. Me mamma, I am for na menu for more century and more happy Father's Day. Minim day, one walk I whom I give to me a yama. Na ma him for so. Madame was today. And be able to day, ye be been was what your door. Now, Hokaka, what the techi. Nay, they are meaning for no. Messie be. Into me she do Sunday, one yama door sunti. Kakrebi and Yakupo Bobo Kwama, Yede Shia Hon, won't sum the mamma henna. Yakupo Boy Kwani Dodo Sha, yet Beba, ma, Gumwa Centra.
That's a papa, honorable ya, Kwansa, One Abigail Alum, Kwabia Mensane, Dr. Thomas Bobbin. Thanks so much this morning for your time. Unicorn Chemist, so mosquito spray and coil, advanced savings and loans, GCB Bank, Pick Milk, Commune Swasene. I didn't pensive bro. But my catch what I say, I listen to politicians with my eyes, but not my ears.
Only God can stop us.